Imagine you are driving through the desert on a cold night, and you are getting tired. You have decided that you want to stay the night in a stranded motel to get some rest. Upon arriving to the motel, you have checked in and booked for one night. However, unfortunately for yourself, a vicious and notorious motorbike gang that is wanted all over the state has captured the whole motel. There is no physical way for you to get out of the room, and all hopes of escaping are doomed. Unless you are able to solve the following set of puzzles. The gang has offered you a possibility where, in case you solve those puzzles, you will be granted freedom and you are free to leave the motel. The puzzles are based on a sequence of numbers, and you need to figure out a pattern governing those sequences in order to find the missing elements. Here is the first puzzle. It goes 807, 716, 625, 534, and then you need to find the following four. Pause the video to think about the problem before the solution is laid out. In order to figure out the pattern, we need to think about the repeating sequence. First, let's take a look at the last and the first digit of two consecutive numbers respectively. Firstly, 807 has the last digit 7, and the next number, 716, has the first digit 7. Then in the same way 716 has the last digit 6, and the next number, 625, has the first digit 6. Lastly, 625 has the last digit 5, and the next number, 534, has the first digit equal to 5. Therefore, it only makes sense that the first digit of the next number is equal to 4, as the last digit of 534 is equal to 4. Now let's look at the central digits of each of the numbers. We can see that they are being increased by 1 in each turn. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3, which means that the central digit of the next number is equal to 4. The last set of digits we need to take a look at are the last ones. They go as 7, 6, 5, and 4, which means that the last digit of the next number is equal to 3. By applying the same principle throughout, we can derive the following three numbers, 352, 261, and 170. Here is the second riddle. The sequence goes 88, 90, 91, 92, 93, and then try to figure out the following four. Although it may look obvious, think about all of the options and pause the video if you need to. Although the sequence looks kind of ordered, it actually doesn't have anything to do with the addition or the subtraction between the sequence elements like we had in the previous case. Instead, let's take a look at the properties of the numbers themselves. They are all composite numbers, meaning, they are not prime. Also, they are all consecutive except for 88 and 90, between them there is a number 89, which is a prime number. Therefore, the rule for this sequence is to skip the prime numbers, which means that the following four numbers are 94, 95, 96, and 98. Well done for solving these two conundrums. Thanks to your ability and deductive reasoning, the gang had no choice but to let you go and ride into your freedom.